So then, this video is Glam Toys, mostly Glam Toys. Either ones I've restored or ones I've got new and restored, I may add. So, we start with number 526, I think it is. This one isn't restored at all. This is a Steamroller. Now, I've only got bits of this. I'm missing the front roller, as you can see. I have the funnel, which is nice. The roof is only held on with one tab. Just waiting to see if I can find another one with the roller. Probably missing the funnel, because that's usually what goes missing. Yes, the funnel on this one is loose. But if I can get another one that's broken with the front roller, then I can make one good one out of it. So there's that. And this is a rare one. This one doesn't turn up much. Hence I got a broken one. Then we have this train here. 527, the red and green train. Now you see, I bought two rusty trains, both with their funnels on. They were really cheap. I discovered that the green and the red train all had the red funnel, so I was able to restore these to having funnels on. So that's the red and green train. And here we have the green and red train, both now with funnels. So that's good, isn't it? I think it's great. This is the green and red train with the green base. I also have the green and red train with the red base, which with its funnel also. Okay. And then we have this one, which is super rare. The Royal Air Force staff car. Now this is in terrible condition, as you can see. I did actually have to buy another Glam Toys car so I could get the grille. I had to replace the base on this so I could get the grille and the decent running wheels. So yeah. As you can see, I had to de-rust it as well. As you can see, the wheels are nice and straight and they roll really well. Okay, so that's the RAF staff car. And then I have the racing car in blue, which is also good, because this one doesn't turn up every day. But the racing car doesn't turn up hardly at all. I have it in red also, but this blue version has more of the gold on it. You can probably see it reflecting as the car rotates. Yeah, racing cars particularly hard to get. So there's that one. And I'll just put the red one on now as well with it, so you can see them together. There you go. Both number 8, both the same number, 522, so early. Alright, and then lastly for this video I have this extra bus I just recently purchased. This extra bus here, another Wells Broom Toy bus, not in the best of condition, but it's a Regent petrol bus. With the early version wheels. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't sit right, does it? It's sort of down at the back and up at the front, but you can't have everything, can you? There's a nice mechanism on it. There you go. There's the spring. It's a lovely straight spring. It does wind. Doesn't run too well because the back wheel, because the motor is loose at the back, but it does run, see. Yeah. So there you go then. That's the video for this week. And next week's video will be something you're not expecting, obviously. So, thanks everyone.